Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Krishnam, Vidushan, good afternoon. Good afternoon with the name teacher. I don't know your name. Good afternoon, David. Good afternoon, Hafiz. Good afternoon, Peter. Good afternoon, Simon. Good afternoon, Vivian. I too miss you all. Good afternoon, Sanet. Good afternoon, Dhanushriya. Thank you very much, Musabika. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Natasha. Good afternoon, Chine. Patience, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Favor. Good afternoon, all. So today we are on 18th of April, right? Okay. So we are supposed, before that, we have some more topics to do. That is HCF and LCM. We'll do that and get into the number puzzles and whatever topics today. Okay. Thank you very much, Vivian. Alian, am I audible to the others? Elzia, Vivian, you'll get a short notice. May you have still 2 more months time, so you will get the short notice. Okay, that's fine. Just give me a minute. Let me set my screen. Yeah, almost I'm there. Exam dates you'll come to know very soon. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just a minute. I would be sharing a screen. Let's start on. So before that, let's get only into the topic. What are the topics did we do until now? Can you just get uh, a brief, or can you try to recall what are the topics we have done until now? Can you please type the topics? Okay, that was good, Laban. Thank you very much. Okay, here is Study in India PRAGATII Exam 2023, sponsored by Jain University and training support by Step Up. Okay. Fine. Thank you very much for the topic. Now, I'm just giving you with the first one today. So that is factor. Can anyone tell me what is a factor? I think we have learned, given a start for what is called as a factor. Can anyone brief it? What is called as a factor? Yes, that which doesn't give you reminder. That was good. As a recap, I'm giving you a number and tell me what are the factors of it. Number 48. What are the factors of number 48? Okay, find the factor of number 48. Chineni, more to go. You have more factors for 48. Good, Simon. It's okay, Magma. Micah, just keep following. Forty-eight. Okay, I think 16 is also a factor. Most of you are missing with 16. 1, 6. Good. Okay. So now I'm giving you two numbers and find their common factor. Okay. So now let's have 72, 36. Find the factor for both 72 and 36. Find the factors. Then tell me what are their common factors. Did you get it? Find the factors of 72 and 36 and then find me what are the common factors. Good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 15, 16, 6 fours are 24, 4, no, 16, no, 17, 18, 8, 3, 8 fours are 32, yes, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 4 into 3, 12. Yes, 24, 30, 32, 36, and 72. Factors of 72. Next, factors of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18. Yes, 18, 24 now, then 36. So what are the common factors? 1 is a common factor. So I'll change the pen color. Any doubts with the factors? Let me know. Then we will talk about the common factors. Common factors. Good. Okay. Line, no worries. Okay, fine. So the common factors of 72 and 36 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Did you get it? Did you get it? Yes. Now, which is the smallest common factor, or we call it as least common factor? Which is the common factor smallest? Common factor small is 1. Okay. Highest common factor. Which is the highest common factor? 36. So highest common factor is what they will ask us to find, and always the smallest factor will be 1. Always. Or you take any number, always the smallest factor will be 1. And HCF, that means highest common factor, it depends. Yes, it depends upon the numbers. Are you clear with this? Any doubts still here? Any doubts? Any doubts? Shall we go on with the next? Shall we go on with the next? Shall we go on with the next? Okay. I hope you're able to see the questions. Are you able to see the questions? I will off the chat box for a few minutes. Are you able to see the questions? Yes. I will do for the question number 2 and you will do for the rest. The same thing over here. What are the highest common factors? You want to find all their HCF. I'm finding for the second question alone. Got it? So 7 times 11 is 77. Is that right? Next. 333. That is 3 times 11 is 33. Next, 22. 2 times 11 is 22. What is their highest common factor? Common factor for them all, it is 11. So that is equals to 11. Did you get that? You can now chat. Did you get it? Do for all the questions, give me the answer together in the direct message. Hossein, not to put it to chat to everyone, put a direct message to me with your answers, but put all the answers together. There are 14 questions. Put all the answers together for the 14 questions, type it together and send me so that it will be easy to check. Yes. Find the highest common factor for given all the numbers. That was good. It was Chaya Beka. Mainza has given the complete answer. Chini, yeah. If you send it in private or direct message to me, that would be good. That's okay. If you have already sent, it's fine. It's okay. No problem. No worries. Shall go on with the answers. Do anyone want time? Prime factors mean which has only two factors. That is prime factor. Factors mean it's a common thing to say that a number can have two factors or three or one. It doesn't matter at all. Factor is to know that what that number can divide without decimals or leaving a remainder. That is called factor. Prime factor is also the same, and also that number will have only two factors. You clear with that, Vivian? You clear with that, Vivian? Okay, let's go one by one. Okay. The first question is very easy. First check what it is divisible by. Your divisibility rule can be used over here. It's an even number, so I can say it is 2 multiplied by. All the numbers are not divisible by 4, so it is 2 multiplied by another number. Okay, when I divide these numbers by 2, I get 28, 21, and 49. So that means they're all divisible by 7. 2 times 7, 14. The first one, the divisibility rule will be only 14. Are you clear with that? Second one is 11. Already we have done. Okay, next. Third one, 80, 16, 96. I can divide all these numbers by 8. Yes. If I divide them by 8, again I can divide them by 2. Is that correct? So I can divide them by 8. So I get 10 over here, divide them by 8. I get 2 over here, divide them by 8. I get 12 over here. That means again I can divide them by 2. So it is into 2. So the highest common factor of them will be 16. Are you getting it? How to do it? Are you getting it how to do it? Musabeka, can you unmute yourself? Only Musabeka. Musabeka.
Yes, sir.
So is the first one or the third one? Which one you did not understand?
No, I understand the question, but that
Okay.
method, I didn't understand it.
Okay, fine. So this method, you're not going to write anything, directly you're going to do. Now you have 80, 16, 96, right?
Yeah.
What is a common number to divide them when you look at the first time? 80, 16, 96. What number can you divide them in common?
I can take 16.
Directly 16? Okay.
I can use
So
2, 4,
80 by 16, 5.
8.
16 by 16, 1. 16 into 6, 30, 96. That's also fine. But what I have done here is, since they're all even numbers, dividing it by 2. Okay, that means 2 is also factor for everything. Is that correct?
Yeah.
80, 16, 96. All are having a common factor as 2.
Yeah.
And now, after that, I can know that I'm getting here this as 8, and this as 40, and this as 48. So I can say that again, 10, 8, and 48, the factor is 8. Yes?
Yeah.
So then,
Yeah.
and then I combine together to say that 8 into 2 is 16.
That's the perfect method.
Yeah. So now here it is very easy. 14, 49, 7. What is the factor?
I can use 7.
Yes. If I use 7 here, again, I don't have any other thing to use as factor. 7 times 1 is 7. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I have
Yeah.
here 16, 72, and 80. What will be the common factor?
But
16, 80, and 72. All three are having one tables common. In a tables, all these three things will come to common. Yes, that is 8. 8 is a common table for 16, 72, and 80, right?
Yeah.
So I get 2. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 72 divided by 8 is 9.
Equals
80
9.
divided by 8 is 10. Do I have any factors with 9, 10, and 9? 2. 2, 9, 10. Do I have any factors?
No.
That means only 8 is a factor, highest common factor of them. That's all.
Yeah.
Now, in this ninth one, can you tell me the answer of this ninth one? 4, 37, 51. What will be the common
This
factor?
one.
That's
Yeah.
right. Are you getting it now?
Yeah, I'm getting.
Okay, that's fine. That's great. Anybody else? Any doubts still here? Anybody else? Any doubts? Anybody else? Yes, Vivian. Yes, Vivian. Any doubts? Okay. Can you type the question? Can you type the question? Oh, sure. Chayabeka, can you unmute yourself? Chayabeka?
Sir,
Yes.
my question
Okay.
is, you said the common factor for question, is it question 2? Is 16, or what did you say?
80, 16, 96 or 77, 33, 22. Which question, Vivian? Yes, Vivian, you can unmute yourself now. Vivian can unmute yourself. Vivian. Vivian.
So you unmute me. Maybe not Vivian is here.
Okay. I think Vivian had some question. Vivian. Vivian. Okay, that's okay, fine. Next one. Chayavika Mainza. Mainza, can you unmute yourself? Mainza, can you unmute yourself? Mainza. Mainza, can you unmute yourself? Make it fast. Okay. So this is 8, this is 57, and this is 34. 57 third table, and it's an odd number. 8 doesn't go in third table, and for this again the factor will be just 1. Did you get it? For question number 11. I understand, that's okay. Okay, next 24, 90, and 78. What is the common tables for all of them? 24, 90, and 78. What is the common tables? Common tables of 24, 90, and 78. All three together, there will be a common tables. What is that? Yes. Yes. 2 is the common table. So when I divide them by 2, I get 2, 12, and this is 78. I would get 3, 6, 16. Yes. Can I divide them again by any other common tables? I'll divide them by 2. So I'll get 12 over here. I'll get 30 over here. And I'll get here 26. No. By 2, 39. Yes, 39. 12, 30, 39. What is the common tables? 12, 30, 39. 24, 90, 78. I can divide it by 2, all of them. So I get, oh, this is 45. 12, 45, and 39. 12, 45, and 39. 12, 45, and 39. Now 12, 45, and 39 have a common what factor? 12, 45, and 39 have what factor? Yes, 3. So hence the factor of 24, 90, and 78 is 6. Did you get it? 12, 24, 90, and 78, the common factor will be 6. Already 2 was a factor. When I divide it, again I have a number. For them, the common factor is 3. So hence I can say that 6 is the factor of 24, 90, and 78. I hope you're clear with this method. Are you clear with this method? Yes. Shall we go on to the next? Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay, next one. On the right side, question number 4. 65, 39, 13. What is the common factor? Very easy. 65, 39, 13. What is the common factor? Yes, 13 is the common factor. Next, 48, 64, and 32. 48, 64, and 32. What is the common factor? First, we'll take 2. Yes, we can take 2. Now, when I divide them by 2, I get 24. Or I can say directly, I can divide them by 8. That is more easy for you. 8, 8, 8. Because all comes in 8 times table. That's so easy for you. So this makes 6. And this makes 8 again. And this makes 4. When I divide these numbers by this, that is 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So I'm splitting and writing. So when I divide them by 8, again I get 6, 8, and 4. So what is the best number again to take the factor? 6, 8, and 4. 8, 8, 8. 6, 8, 6, 8, and 4. 48, 64, 32 is divided by 8 each. So I get 6, 8, and 4. What is the common factor of them? Yes, again, 2 is the common factor of them. So I can keep doing until the number gets prime or small. That is 1. Are you clear with that? So the answer is 16. Next question. Question number 8. 9, 11, 88. 9, 11, and 88. What is the factor? 11. Yes, it's done. 7, 28, 98. What is the factor? 7. Yes. 48, 87, 6. What is the factor? Apply divisibility rules and check it. 48, 87, 6. What is the factor? 3. Yes. 3. 6 is divisible by 3. 87. Musafika, it is 3. No 1. Because 87 is divisible by 3. We would have seen that many times in when we were doing prime numbers. 87 is not a prime number. Dhanishri, can you check your answer? 48 is divisible by 3. 87 is divisible by 3 and 6. Yes. So 8 plus 7 is 15. Can anyone quickly tell me what is the divisibility rule of 3? What is the divisibility rule of 3? Yes, Vivian, that's correct. You choose any number, at last, what you get the highest of them, we're going to pick it up. That's all. So what is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of digits is divisible by 3. Yes. So here the same thing. 4 plus 8 is 12. 8 plus 7 is 15 and 6. Then the factor of them is 3. Are you clear with that? How to get this factor 3? Are you clear with that? Okay. Next. 64, 48, 16. Yes, it's divisible by 16. 16 into 4, 64. 16 into 3, 48. Everything comes in the 16 tables. So 16 is the factor. 16 is the factor. You done? Any doubts? Yes, Axmith. Yes, Axmith. May I know your doubt? Last number 16. 16. Okay, so yes, the common factor is 2. Then again I can divide it by 2. Again I can divide it by 2. Like that I can divide these numbers for 4 times by 2. Did you get it, Axmith? Are you getting it, Axmith? 64 divided by 2 is 32. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Now I can divide them again. 32 can be divided by 2. 24 can be divided by 2. 8 can be divided by 2. That becomes further 16 and 12 and then 2. See, 2 is a small factor. We are finding highest common factor, Axmith, not the smallest factor. We are finding which factor is big among all. That's good. Any doubts still here? Any doubts? Okay. Shall we go on with the next one? Shall we go on with the next one? Next one is multiple. Multiples. Okay, multiples means which of the numbers comes in the same tables. That's all. Let's take 3 and 5. Okay, so when I take 3 and 5, we know 2 methods to do. I'm teaching you both the methods. 3 and 5. When I read for 3, the multiples are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and goes on. Are you clear with that? So the multiples of 5 will be 5. So here is also 15. Okay. So the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. The multiples of 15 are 5, 10, 15, and goes on. Right? So what is the common multiple of them? So the first one is 15. So after that, what will be the common multiple of them? That will be 30. After that, what will be the common multiple of them? That's going to be 45. Like this, we have a lot of multiples to go on. But among them, what is the smallest multiple? 3 and 5, the multiples are 3, 6, 9, 10, no, sorry, 9, 12, 15, and goes on. 5, 5, 10, 15, 20 goes on. In this first, what is the first common multiple? First common multiple. Are you clear with that? Apart from 15, we have 30, we have 45 as the multiples. We have very big multiples to go on. But which is the smallest or the least common multiple, or the smallest common multiple? GCM is called, yes, multiples means it's like tables. A particular number comes in which both the tables. Did you get it? Did you get? Okay. That is what is called multiples. Okay. Next one. Let's say 12 and 18. Okay. Multiples means tables. What is the, okay, I'll rewrite it, no worries. So I'm rewriting it again, whatever you found out, it's fine. I'm giving for an easy number. What is the multiple of 6 and 8? That means which number comes in both 6 and 8? What number comes in both 6 and 8? I want 2. That is not the multiple. Is it 2 comes in the 6 times tables? The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18 goes on. 8 are 8, 16, 24 and goes on. How can you get 1 or less than 6? Not possible. They are not the multiples. $72. Okay. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 24. 6 fours are 24, 8 threes are 24. Did you get that? So go on with the next. So yes, even 48, but 48 is big. 48, 72 are big, which is the least common multiple. 48, 72 goes on, that's okay. Smallest multiple, or which is the least common multiple. Yes, 24 is a common multiple. Any doubt with the multiples? Let me know first. Any doubt with multiples? Let me know. Shall go on with the next? Shall we go on with the next? Okay. Now what you do, you would have not expected, but still I'm reducing the numbers and giving you. It's too big. Okay, I'll just give you some small numbers. I'm not giving you more in this topic. Okay, so LCM is an easy one. You've done factors, enough of factors question, so this would not be a concern. Yes, I'm giving. Just a minute. I'm just pasting my questions for your board. So I'm giving you some questions on the multiples, then we'll go on to the next. Okay, so here's your first question on multiples. Okay, I'm sharing that. Oh. Is that now visible? It's an easy one, so don't take more time. I'm giving you 3 minutes only. Nilofer, check 32 and 48. Adamu, Adamu, you have to check your side. I think the screen is visible for everyone. 32, 48. Is that 96 makes a factor of 32, 98? We're done. Let's go with the questions. Okay. Shall we go with one by one? Do you want time or shall we start? Shall we start? Shall we start? Okay. So find the first three common multiples. Find the first three common multiples. So 3 and 4, yes, most of your answers will be correct. 12 is the first common multiple, then 24, then 36. Number line, there's nothing to do with number line. 5 and 6, 30 is the first multiple, then that is 60, then it is 90. So times 2 times 3, that's all. 3 common multiples using the number line. That means, see, you will be drawing like this. This is what is called number line. So 3 and 4 over here. Okay, 3 and 4. It's not needed. You can directly do it. If 3 and 4 over here, the 3 and 4, the common multiple is 12. Next, again, the common multiple of them is 24. This is what is called number line. Okay, next, the common multiple is going to be for 36. Did you get that? This is what they mean it as number line. It's not needed if you are already known with the answer. Are you okay with that now? Okay, next. Find the LCM of the given number by prime factorization method. What is called as prime factorization method means 12 is equals to 2 times 3 multiplied with the prime numbers to get 12 and 20. The same way, multiplying prime numbers to get 20. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 5, 20. So all are multiplied with the prime numbers. So now what you have to do to find the LCM, I have to circle the numbers, common numbers, and yes, you can, and the uncommon method like this. Uncommon factors can be circled. So now 2 is a common factor, circled 1 time, times, again 2, times, 3, times, 5. So we know that the answer is 60. 12 times 5 is 60, 20 times 3 is 60. So the prime factorization or the LCM is 60. By using prime factorization means like this. So 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 15 is 60. That's all. Either this method or the other method. Are you clear with that? How to find it? What is called as prime factorization method? Are you clear with that? Common numbers, circle it. Uncommon numbers, directly write it 1 time. If it is 1 time, 1 time. If it is 2 times, 2 times. So which are common, you have to circle it. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Yes, 60 is the LCM. 12 times 5 is 60, 20 times 3 is also 60. Multiply with the prime numbers, Annie, I'm repeating it. Multiply with the prime numbers and combine them. So first of all, you're finding the HCF. This is the HCF. Am I correct? Highest common factor of them is going to be 4. For 12 and 20, the highest common factor is 4. Am I correct? highest common factor of 12 and 20 is 4. Is that correct? With that, which are not the factors also being multiplied. That's all. Are you getting it? With the HCF of it, that is 4, multiplying into which was not the factor. That you get this answer. Okay. Is the second one first? In the first one is clear. I'm going to teach you on different methods. So please do listen so that you can use it in the other places also. Okay. Yes, it's 4. And then I multiply with that, which are not the factors, so that I get LCM. HCF multiplied by uncommon factors will give me the LCM. Are you clear with that? HCF multiplied by uncommon factors will give me the LCM. Okay. Is this method clear? I'll do this method again with another question so that you might make it better. Can I erase it? Milimo. Okay, what was your doubt, Milimo? Milimo, what was your doubt? You can unmute yourself, Milimo. Milimo. Milimo, what is your doubts?
Oh, sir,
Yes,
can
please.
you get me, sir?
Yes, I can.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you. Milimo, you
Um,
can stop. I can hear you.
sir,
Yes, please.
can you get me?
Yes.
I'm not really clear whereby you use the 2 and 3 and 5 as factors to multiply. whereby 12, okay, 12 also has a factor which is 4. Okay, I don't know. Okay, I don't understand. I don't understand why you used
Okay.
2 and
Okay.
another 2 again to multiply 3
We'll come back. We'll come back.
and
12 and
5
15.
again.
What is
Why
the
did you
HCF?
use 1, 2? Like, yeah, 2 is a common factor for 12 and 20, but you used 2 times 2 again, like 2 times 2. I don't understand that part.
Okay. Now 12 and 15. What is the highest common factor of 12 and 15? What is the highest common factor of 12 and 15? What is, Melimo? I'm allowing you to unmute yourself again. Please do unmute only Melimo. Melimo, can you unmute yourself? Melimo. 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 Yes. 3 is the 3 times 2 times 2 is 12. Any doubts with that? 3 times 2 times 2 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, now if I circle the common numbers, it is called HCF. Any doubts in that? Okay. So if I common circle it, this is called HCF, prime factorization HCF. Are you clear with that? So that number is 3. Now I want to find LCM. Then what I do, I take these numbers which is uncommon. 5, 2, 2. Greatest common divisor, highest common factor. Yes, both are same. Greatest common divisor, highest common factor. Both are same, Vivian. No confusion. Oh, okay. I think now it is clear, right? So find the HCF, then multiply with the uncommon number. Find the HCF, then multiply with the uncommon number. Find the HCF and multiply with the uncommon number. Are you clear with that? Five times 2 times 2 times 3 will become the LCM. HCF multiplied by uncommon number is the LCM. Are you clear with that? So yes, for this also we're getting 60. 5 times to 10, 10 times to 20, 20 into 3, 60. Okay, clear with that, right? Explicit? I didn't get you exactly wondering. HCF multiplied by uncommon factors is equals to LCM. I'm making you to understand the question because word problems will be the same way. You should be able to do the word problems. Understood what is called prime factorization method? Did you get it? Oh, thank you very much. Clear with LCM? Prime factorization method is clear? Yes. So the next one, I'm teaching you in a different method. I want you to understand. Okay, whatever your answers, I do accept with whatever the method you have done. I'm teaching you all the methods because all the questions are not always same. So you have to know the different methods. Okay. So 36, 27, and 18. 36, 27, and 18. Okay. Now we'll do prime factorization, but using exponents. That's good. Okay. Prime factorization using exponents. Prime factorization using exponents. No, common factors, highest common factor. Highest common factor multiplied by uncommon factors gives me LCM. Got it, Vivian? So 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3, 12, 12 times 3, 36. Is that correct? Now, can you tell me how to split like this and write it for 27? How to split and write it for 27? Previous table of which question, Josian? Which question, Josian? It's 3 times 3 times 3. That's right. Josian, can you please tell me which question? I would help you out. Okay, now next is 18. 2 times 3 times 3. Now, if I want to find the HCF, I will just circle the common numbers. Did you get it? If I want HCF, I will circle the common numbers 1 and 2. That's all. This is HCF. Are you clear with that? This is HCF. Are you clear with that? Then I'll multiply them both. 3 times 3 is 9 over. This is HCF. Are you clear? Are you clear? Yes or no? Yes. Now, let's take, these are the common. I don't have 2 here. I'm taking an extra number. This 2 can be paired with the other 2, and this 2 is an uncommon. This 3 is an uncommon. So 9 is the HCF multiplied with 2 common numbers. That is true, that still it is uncommon. This 2 uncommon times this 2 uncommon times 3. Okay, even though it is repeated with some other number, I have paired it. Even though it is not with 3 numbers, only with 2 numbers, but still I paired it. Did you get it? So the HCF. So 9 times 2 times 2 times 3. Are you clear with that? HCF multiplied by uncommon numbers to give me LCM. Are you clear with that? Yeah, 3 and 2, which are uncommon, and this 2 and 2 can be paired once. That's what I've written here. Okay. 108, yes. Okay, now I'll tell you what is this method actually is. I'll just show you from where did this method come so that you will become more clear. Shall we try? I'm going to show you from where did you get this method. How is this method working and what is it actually? I'll show you. Then the HCF LCM will become very common. Why I'm giving you importance for this topic is you would get a lot of factorization based questions. So you have to be aware of this. So it becomes very easy in the options you can mark it. So we call it as YEL method or division method like this to write it. 36, 27, 18. Now what is the HCF? Is 9. I'm dividing all these numbers by 9. So I get 4, 3, 2. Any doubts? Can you see that 9? The 9 over here and the 9 over here. I'm dividing it. I'm dividing everything by 9. Okay? Clear with that, right? Both the methods are same. The writing format differs, but nothing is new. So I'm dividing now by 2. The second one is by 2. When I divide it, this is 2. This 3 I cannot divide it, so I keep it as it is. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Done? Okay, next one. I'm dividing this by 2, so I get 1, and the 3 remains, and the 1 remains. Okay, and the last step. So the last one is only 3 remaining. So put a bracket, writing it as 3, 1, 1, 1. That's it. So in this method I write, I'm going to write whatever I've taken it outside. Why I've taken only 2 and written over here? 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. The next 2 divided by 2 is 1. Next 3 divided by 3 is 1. So in this way I've written it. Are you clear with that? So when I write it, it's going to give me the same answer, 9 times 2 times 2 times 3. The answer is going to be the same. Are you clear from where and how the method has been distributed? The way of writing differs, but the method is same. 3 divided by 3 is 1. I'm rewriting it. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Are you clear with that? How this method applies over here? Both are same. The writing format differs. See here, I have 2's. That is what is this? 4 is divided by 2, 2 is divided by 2. That is why 2 2's are combined together over here. Next 2, only 2 is divided by 2. That is what is this 2. Next is 3 divided by 3. That is what is this. Okay, it's up to you. There is one more method. There is one more method. If you want to take down with this, I'm giving you one more method. Please do take it up. I'm giving you one more method. The next method is very easy, but still you have to learn it. If they ask such kind of question, then you need to work. Shall I give you the next method? Okay, see the same method over here, what we have written, the same thing, we are just rewriting it for the format of making it smaller. Okay, you might get the questions like that also, that is why. Okay, 36 can be written as 2 square into 3 square. Any doubts? 2 square into 3 square. 27 can be written as 3 cube. That means 3 times 3 times 3. 18 can be written as 2 times 3 square. Are you okay? Are you okay with this? Yes. Now in this method, how to find the HCF, how to find the LCM. I'm distributing into 2. I hope my board is visible. So HCF over here, LCM on the other end. Okay, now in this, I have here 2, I have here 2. Do I have 2 everywhere? That means in 27, do I have multiples of 2? No, that means 2 can never come in the HCF. Okay, it's done. No 2's. Clear with that, right? Next one. Next one. I have 3 square, I have 3 cube, I have 3 square. Everywhere I have 3. Is that yes? Everywhere I have 3. Is that yes? Yes. Which is small among them? Which is small among them? Which is small among them? This is exponents. Yes, you have questions on this also. I'll give you more in this. Say I have 2's 2 times. 2 and 2. I have 2 2's. So I've written here 2 square. Okay. 3's I have 2 times. So I've written here 2 times. That's all. 3 I have 3 times. I've written here 3 cube. And then 2 1 time. That is 2 to the power 1. 3 2 times 3 square. Did you get that? Did you get that? Yes. Now, Which is smallest among them? 3 square, 3 cube, 3 square. Which is smallest among them? Which is smallest among them? 3 square. Then that set is the HCF. Taking the smallest among them, even though 2. If it is smallest, I can take it. Got it, right? 2 is not common everywhere, so we are not able to take it. Yes, in spite of 3 into 3 into 3, we are writing it as 3 to the power 3. Relationship between, what is the relationship between HCF and LCM and the product of the numbers? Okay, so now this is the relationship. Without the HCF in the division method, I cannot do anything. Is that correct? So when it comes for LCM, how it is getting related is, which is the highest power among 3 square, 3 cube, 3 square? Which is the highest power? Which is the highest power? Which is the highest power? Yes, 3 to the power 3. Write that times in 2, which is the highest power? In 2 square, 2 to the power 1, which is the highest power? In 2 square and 2 to the power 1, which is the highest power? 2 square. Yes. Take a look over here. Am I getting the same answer? 3 cube, 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, square, 2 square times 2 times 2. Am I getting the same answer? Yes. HCF, lowest power and common everywhere. HCF, lowest power and common everywhere. Lowest power and common everywhere. Lowest power and common. Got it, teacher? And common. Lowest power and common. CM, highest power and doesn't matter about common. Highest power and no common. Everything is taken. Clear with that, right? Highest power and uncommon. Highest power and uncommon. That means in HCF, which is common, only 3s are common. In this, which power is the smallest? 3 square or 3 cube or 3 square? Which is smaller? 3 square is common. That is what I've taken here. That is the HCF. When it comes for LCM, the highest power of 3 is 3 cube. Highest power of 2 is 2 square. They both are taken. That is called LCM. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Any doubts still here? Any doubts? Any doubts? Common lowest power, not uncommon. Common and lowest power, HCF. Common and lowest power. Vivian have to change the sentence. Common, 3 is common everywhere. 2 is not common everywhere. That is uncommon. So I cannot take 2 for the HCF. 3 is common everywhere and the lowest. Common and lowest. Clear with that, Vivian? Now for LCM, highest and uncommon. Highest and uncommon. Highest and uncommon. Did you get it? LCM, highest and uncommon. Then Annie has to read all these 3 for tomorrow's class. We have to discuss more in this. So Annie has to do everything again. Are you okay with that, Annie? Today, watch the video entirely from the first to the last of the class. Again, do with HCF, LCM. Repeatedly keep doing it so that you might get it better. In which one 2 is common? Janvir. Janvir. In which 2 is common? 2 is not common. That is why we are taking it for LCM. Got it, Janvir? 2 is not common. Only in the LCM I can take 2, not for the HCF. Thank you, Francis. Janvir, only for the LCM we have taken 2. Uncommon things are taken. We got a new definition. Highest and uncommon for exponents. Mention the word exponents, Nilafar. And lowest and common powers using exponent method. That is highest common factor, HCF. That's good. Got it right? Only for the LCM we have taken 2. For the HCF we cannot. Okay, good. Any other doubts? Okay. These questions you can take a screenshot. Dave's method. This method is my method, Dave's method. I don't know any other name to use it. Maybe the concept is there, but the terms are my own terms to make you understand. DEV, Dave. Okay, just for you to remember, just remember HCF, common and the lowest power. Yeah, because you understood the topic, so I'm happy. But I've not understood the topic, I might not be happy. So you understood the topic, so I'm happy. And he has to rework once. And he has to listen to the video twice or thrice so that you would be able to do it tomorrow very easily, Annie. Is that okay? Yes, that's great. Okay, LCM, uncommon and highest power, HCF, common and the smallest power. That's all. Got it right? Thank you very much. Thank you all. Have a great day. I'm going to stop the screen. Please do take the screenshot and do the rest of the question for tomorrow's homework. You can try with all the 3 methods, whichever is convenient for you. Fazil, thank you very much. Exponential. Thank you, Abraham. Thank you, Josian. The last 5 questions, you have to solve it for homework, and please do take a screenshot so that you can use it for tomorrow. Please do practice these 5 questions so that we can do more tomorrow. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Yes, from question 2, your assignment starts. Over here, there are 2 questions. In 2, there are 2 questions. In 3, there are 3 questions. So total 5 questions assignments. Course outline. I hope you have a schedule paper with you. You have entirely all the topics, whatever to be discussed, everything is over there. Okay, please do once take a look on it so that you will understand better. Okay, all the topics are named over there. The course outline will be there. Thank you very much, patience. Thank you, Nilofer. Have a great day. Thank you, Janveer. Yes, on the timetable. You have the title below the timetable. Bye. Danishriya, thank you very much. Thank you, Zavon. Thank you, Vivian. Thank you very much. Thank you, Ashina. Okay, can I stop the screen? Thank you, Rifiat. Thank you, Nilofer. So that 8 to be broken, 2 times 2 times 2 axioms. Okay, that becomes 2 to the power 5. Okay, sure, tomorrow we'll again discuss. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Have a great day.